Hi, my name is Neil, and I'm the lead programmer of FTC 14575 Capital Bots. Here, we can see a video of our auto A and B running simultaneously back to back. We score all 3 preloaded rings, and then take up to 3 rings, and then drop off both wobble goals, and then park, for a total of a max of 107 points in the autonomous period. We also have automatic high goal positioning, which allows us to quickly get into position for shooting the high goals. And in addition, we also have automatic power shot alignment, allowing us to accurately shoot power shots when necessary. To structure our code, we use 4 different drive classes: drive constants, presidential drive, presidential systems, and storage. Thank you for listening.